Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pavoni and lever machine, and this was brought in because the sight glass is pretty dirty. And we went ahead and disassembled the whole machine, did a tune-up, pulled everything apart, deep cleaning it, replacing all the gaskets and lubricating all the moving parts. And now it is working once again. Well, it was working before, but it's much cleaner now. Let's test it. Beautiful. It's going to drip a little bit more, and we're going to stop at about 1 ounce. Be standard for Pavonis. Let's do some steam. Alright, there it is. Pavoni, clean and working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.